Stream. Streaming support. Streaming, ano eh? Streaming growing game streaming community. Active. Okay. Online. Yung ganun. Then what? Pinagin game. Ay, oo, yung Lola. Ultima J and RPG Hubadang, and finally what do you call it? Finally, hello. Thanks for dropping by. Okay, let's go. Let's get it on. Oops. Oopski. Na-exit ko. Okay. Let's head to the to the castle, what do you call it? Black something. No. Okay. Okay. Let's get it on. Come on. Oh no, what's wrong with my bangs? Okay, let's go. What the what? Okay lang. Ano na? Okay. Oh my goodness, meron pa yata akong hindi nakuha rito. Hindi nakuha ko na to. Okay, dire-diretso na tayo. Low. Hindi ako gumagalaw sa camera. Low. What? Naiba yung what do you call it? Yung speed ng kanyang the speed. Okay. So far, malayo. So near, malapit. What? Okay. Fish mash. Replace tayo. Here. Replace natin si... Okay, wala man tayo re-replace. Masyadong mababa yung level ni Shan. But if something goes wrong, you have to replace. Shana. Okay. Pinaglikod ko. Yung dalawa is level 14 na. Sobrang high. magandang gabi. Buenas noches, Señorita Gabriel. Burning glass. Papayad sa nipples. Yes, thanks for reacting, Gabriel and Dave. Kumusta naman ang inyong mga gabi, ang inyong weekend? It's a Friday. And so what? Haro, Diyos ko, pati ba naman dito? Haro. Ayun. This one pa rin ako. My goodness. Ilang araw ko na ito nilalaro. This one pa rin. Ay, madami. Hello, DJ Silva. Thanks for reacting to my stream. Madam, hello. Hello, Lord Circles. Hello, DJ. Ay, ito na naman yung ano. Escape kaya ako. Nategi ako dito eh. Ito ba yun? Escape nga tayo. Ginoong Dave. Thanks for siya, no? Nag-share ba siya? Yon, thanks for sharing my stream, Dave. Ay, Dave. DJ Silva pala. Dave tuloy. Okay. Enter na tayo pero save muna para sure. Something's go wrong. I hope ito na yung end nung this one para makapag-disto na. Dahil may 3 days pa nag-aantay. Marami masyado. Para December, iba na yung lalaroin ko. Nagsawa agad eh. Di pa ako makalaro ng update ng firmware in 1 hour pa. Ganon. At di ka makalaro. Ay, may tao. Ano yun? Friendly pa lang ng mga tao rito. Ay, ito yun. May ano dito, Stardust. O yun o, acquired Stardust. Sabi na eh. Hello, first Dragon Days. Then, teka lang. May nag-like. At walang alert. Okay. Then those whistleblower rear guards and they're taking advantage of that attack for capital. Bagal net mag-download ako Genshin sa PS ko. Libre ba ang Genshin sa PS, Dave? Even losing the dragon must have been part of the plan. That's our temporal law. Ang galing ano. They say that the battle at the 7th Fort and Hawk was part of the strategy to destroy him. Wala silang pakialam. Talagang libre talaga ang Genshin ano. Kaya number 1 siya. Forget libre number 1. Ano lang, nakakahanga lang. Pati ako napag-Genshin Impact din eh. Hindi pa naman ako mahilig sa mga online. Tsaka ang laki sa memory ng Android. Nung dinownload ko siya sa sa phone ng tatay ko 2 weeks ago. 5 gig lang siya. Ngayon naging 8 gig na, nag-update yata. Naging 8 gig na siya. Ang laki. Are you here or are you sorcerer? That's right, making a killing by taking advantage of victor is not the team for little possible go away. you're talking about? What do you mean what? It's the registration to be a mercenary. So it's worth some money by joining the Sandoras. Hey, you can't feel so feeling but someday due to the recommendation of Linux spawners. Take it back but you can do it. Why? My grandpa is sick. See, this is my brother. You need to get me one. So, ang cute maglakad. We only get that kind recently. The quality of the mercenaries is declining. Well, good for you for not being mercenaries. Even the plan is what? If you don't wanna die, don't register. Eddie, wow! Wow! Gabrieline, thanks for sending 10 stars! Pampaganda ng inyong gabi. Naks naman. Thank you, thank you. Attack ball. I-love natin yan. Lumabas ba yung alert? Lumabas ulit natin. Para kita. Okay. So, ayun. Thank you. Maagang, maagang pamasko. O, diba? Napangiti. Mas mapapangiti ako kung magiging disto na to. Twister glide. Ano yun? Twister glide. Grabe, 33 weeks na pala. 33 weeks na. Ano yung 33 weeks? There's a man. Can I talk to you a little? You guys look like adventurers too. Well, I can tell just from how you look. In addition, you have been on a very risky adventure. Very well. 30 weeks ka ng buntis pa. Oo nga. Alam ko, iniluwal ko na to sa kubeta. In addition, you have been on a very risky adventure. Very well. I can smell it from your aura. Diyan mo? I can smell it from your aura sa kubeta. By the way, I have a great story to tell you because you appreciate the real stuff. Just between you and me, I defeated the dragon, Fabren. Oh, you don't trust me, then take a look at this. This is the feather of Fabren. Wow, don't touch it, you'll be poisoned by it. Haha, nagdadalang jebs pala. Oo nga yung iba gusto magstay. Kaya nandyan lang sila. You trust me, right? Now you want to introduce this great product to you. It's a powerful rag that you can beat dragons. The dragon beater for a limited time offer. I'll give you this dragon feather for free. Mo? Talaga lang. Nagdadalang jeeps. the Ragayo defeated by Brandhill. It must be you. Come with us. Wait a minute. I'm just a businessman and I was lying about the dragon. Ah, wala nga pala pasok yung madam na yan. O nga no. Kaya ka pala nakatambay ngayon, no, Gabriel. Ano ma ngayon? Day off mo din? Day off mo ngayon, Day? Inday, day off mo ngayon. Kaya kami hindi namin sasabing day off eh. Rest day. Ano yung sinend mo sa GC, ha? Ano to? Wala na ta. Mas ito yung sinasabi ko 33 weeks na pala. Di ko namamalayan. Ang alin? 33 weeks straight. Okay. Yung ano, 33 weeks straight daw. Ang nakalagay nga dito. Di ko pa rin maintindihan. Yeah. Siguro yung last na ano mo. Ewan ko. Ayan. Yung na yung nag-subscribe, nag-follow ka. I made them and I made some more. And nobody thanks me. I sold them and I sold some more and I made it no profit. Ganun. Don't you wanna buy weapons? Then you can come around from the front room. Okay, wait. Before I buy some weapons. Sana all use. Oo nga no, it's been a while. Ba't ganun 33 weeks? Ilang buwan yun? Parang di naman 33 weeks yun. Tsaka kailan lang ako nag-start? July lang yata ako nag-start. There are 4 weeks in 1 month, di ba? So, ito na, math na naman. Huwag na tayo mag-math. Uy, Stardust. Dami ni Stardust dito. Hindi pa po ako streamer, may mga sinusupport na. Ganun ba? I see. Sa lahat ng streamers yun na yung sinisenda niya ng Sharon Cuneta. Ano? Mat na naman, nahapas. Kaya nga eh. Isipin mo, ibig sabihin, July, nung nagsimula ako nung July, stalker na kita. Di charot. Ito pala, hindi napapalitan yung weapon ni Shana eh. Yan to, armet. Armet pala. Kala ko armlet. Tapos ito. Buti dito auto-equip na pag nabili mo, no? Ay. Stalker. Joke lang. Baka magalit. Baka bawiin yung star. De joke lang. Tahimik na ako. Tahimik. Ako stalker mo na nung naglalaro ka ng Symphony of the Night. Ganon. Symphony? Ay, ang dami na nagdaan nun. Ang una kong in-stream yata, Dawn of Sorrow na Castlevania. Nag-stream ako ng ng Circle of the Moon. Pero hindi pa pala ako nakagawa nun ng Facebook page. Tanga lang no. Kala ko, diretsong live na sa FB. Sabi ko, ba't kaya ganun? Wala yung mga monetize something. Yung pala, kailangan mong gumawa ng Facebook page. Yung huling Symphony of the Night mo. Ano yun eh. Alam ko, 2 araw lang ako nag-Symphony of the Night yata eh. O 3. Kasi hindi na ako nag-ano nun eh. Hindi na ako nag-Richter, ano eh. 2 araw lang yata yun. Kasi kabisado ko yung laro, ang bilis niyang, ano, matapos. Bubo. Kaya ka eh, no? Bubo lang eh, no? Hindi, ano yan? Hindi gumawa ng page. I don't think breaking through the global. Let's do some more research. We may find a good way to sneak in. Okay. Ito nga, gusto ko na matapos bago mag-December eh. Para makapag-ano na ako. Mag-FF10 na ako. Naku, si Gabrielin hindi pwedeng manood sa stream ko pag nag-FF10 ako. Balak niyang laruin yan eh. I-stream. Hahalang niya. Sunod kong in-stream yata noon, Brothers in Arms. Tinapos ko yung Brothers in Arms eh. Kaso walang nakaka-relate. Kaya hindi masyadong... Di ba't wala pa akong masyadong group noon. Kaya hindi ko nasi-share siya mga group. Kaya walang nakakanood. Tapos noon, nag-crisis ako. Puro puro barilan. Brothers in Arms as crisis. Tapos tawag doon. May damit pa ako noon. Kasi sabi ko, ayokong maban or ayokong ma-disqualified parang not eligible para ma-monetize. Yung pala, pwede naman pala mag-stream ng nakaubad. Kasi bago ka maging eligible sa para masendan ka ng stars, may 1 month na ibibigay sa'yo. I-review ng Facebook ng yata yun. Pagka wala akong tawag dito, ulam mo lang yung kita. Hindi naman, kita naman yung katawan, pero naka-t-shirt ako nun. Kulay puti. Kumbaga, pa-t-shirt pa ako nun. Minsan, nagsasando ako nun. Nag-stream ako ng nun. Ng, tawag dito, God of War sa PSP. Chain of Olympus. Yun. Ito pala item shop. Yun. Mahal lang yan. Ayun, okay. Kala ko may bago. Ayun nga, nag-stream ako ng God of War. Then, what? Puno na naman yung ko. Sell nga tayo. Item. Spirit Potion, pambira. Angel Sprayer, Phoenix down pala yung Angel Sprayer. Healing Breeze. Pag naging streamer ako, shortlist din eh. Promise mo yan Sige, abangan ko yan. Kahit, di ba may work ka? Kahit every every weekends lang. Wala kang pasok yun. pwede ka mag-stream. O kaya, pag uwi mo galing sa work, pwede ka mag-stream nun. Magsasell ako ng dalawa kasi hindi ko alam kung ano rito. Ano ba to? Reduces risk of encounter. Gives subtle good aroma. Ano yung pwedeng i-sell dito? Thunderbolt. Burn out. Detonate trap. Ito, isang body purifier. Spray tayo ng healing. Nakakainis naman dito yung item eh. 32 lang pwede mong dalhin. Masyadong limitado, wala. Pero ba't sa Granja, hindi ako nagkaroon ng problema dun. Kahit 30, ano naman yan? 12 times 3. Ano naman tayo sa 12 times 3. 24 plus 12, okay. 36 yun, kahit 36 lang. Kahit 36 lang yung pwede mong daling item. Ay, ito, ba't may nagbibenta ng fake? Puro fake. Ito yung treatment something. Okay, so baba na tayo. Na tayo sa Destiny. Wait. Destination. Dito na. Wala pa ako kahit laptop eh. Pwede naman ay o nga pala. I-connect mo nga pala sa Welcome to the room is a valuable fortress. You guys just look okay. Want to join the new solo party, don't you? Let you in, but I need to ask you questions. I have to check it out. First question, which country do you want to win? Brazil or Sandora? Nag-quick save ako. Important thing is to end the war as soon as possible. Not winning or losing. I think so too. Always hate the spite my means after the fight, regardless of whether you win or not. Oops. Bong Repeal, thanks for reacting to my stream and welcome back. Ikaw, Bong Repeal, kailan ka, hello, hi. Kailan ka rin gustong maging streamer? Nagbabalak na si Dave maging streamer eh. Second question, during the war, what should powerless kids like us do? Quick save. Do nothing. I think they should do nothing. We cannot let kids fight. Agree with your first answer. But sorry, think over and come again. Okay. Take care at home. We cannot send kids to battle, but somebody has to take care. So that the people fighting have some place to come back to. There are some things we have to do. The last question. Why do people have to fight? To obtain something, to protect something, to destroy something. Something, so it is to obtain something. Ganon. Low, 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 low. You think of that? I'll look. Same question. First question. Okay. If war is obtained to destroy something, I'll throw my sword away. I only fight. Protect something. So two people should only fight to protect something. I learned that from my grandpa. You had a good grandpa. Like you are. I am Popper. I am a representative of the user party and campaigning to help people who are having hard times because of the war. It's amazing. I heard about the party, but I didn't think the representative would be this young. Oh, you. Did we meet somewhere? We've never met before, but you might know my face. I am Albert King Robertson. Oh my god, you are the honest. Ayun, nag-save point. Ayun, matambling-tambling. Be meeting for this day to come in the taking Albert Beveridge castles and set us free. That's what we are here for. We will end the war now. Ganun. But I don't think these few people can break through the defenses of the Black Castle. Don't worry, we can do it. We can tell you how to. We see that the power once was the part that liberated humans from English. Now it is to open up our own fate. It's like a dream. Now I can go look for my father and mother when the war ends. Don't waste time babysitting like that. Why don't you think about how to get to the castle? I'm just a kid, but I can show you how to get into the castle. Can you? Yes. This place should be a fortress. There used to be a fortress, so there is a secret path to get to the castle. Secret path? Now we are closer to the forbid me now. So, if we fail, it's to risk and with the tourists before you we will probably have to be up to play. Got it, I'll be waiting at the secret path. Just hurry up. Ito, labang ano rito. Jimmy Santos. Okay, tatlo na lang. Magka-crash dance na ako. Doon pala siya galing. Okay. Okay. Jimmy Santos. Ay, chichi. Wala. Bakit? May virus pa naman ng unggoy. Paano yan? Hindi pa ako nakabili ng maraming item. Kaya ko ba to? Healing potion ang importante. Nakakainis kasi itong mga ano nito. Ano ba to? Gamit kaya ako ng ano? Are you ready to go in the Black Castle? Yeah, I'm ready. The only thing left to make to the Black Castle. I almost gave up when I heard Bear was taken. I thought all my campaigning was in vain. But I found out you are alive, Your Majesty. You can still fight now. See you in the future. Good luck. Yes, I will defeat Dowell. Prevent repetition of the sorrow of you and Celes. And the war. I guess I'll be serious for the first time in a while. For the people who deserve peace, I'll fight. Going ahead. Uy, Rose. Sabay umalis. Nauna. Wait. Pwede pang bumalik, diba? Very good. Later, hurry up and defeat Dowell or other knights will be back soon. Di na pwedeng bumalik. My God. Okay? Nangyari. Pala. Wait, huwag muna dyan. Ito muna tayo. Wala. Okay, dito tayo sa baba. Before tayo kunin muna natin yun. Masyadong limited yung ano rito. Pati yung money. Limited masyado. Alright, alright. Ay, mali. It's a trap. What? Fifteen Stardust, nice. So far, malayo. So near, malapit. Whoa, 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 whoa. What are these? Dun 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 dun. What? 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 Hindi na ni siya, ano?
Burning rush.
Catch a brain dance. Bakit? Sobrang gutom ng unggoy. May rabies pa naman yung unggoy.
Burning rush. Gust of wind next. Burning rush.
What? Huh?
Gust of wind next.
Blossom Storm.
Kasama yung apat ko na output, tapos yung baby. Ilang nakaranas ng ganitong kabagsik na bagyo, kaya halos wala silang nadalang gamit. Nakabalik man sa kanilang tahanan. Pangunahing problema pa rin nila ang makakain. Bagay na ng ating operation Bayanihan. Kanilang inaangat sa mahigit 5,000 at 200
Okay, max na. Crash hands na.
ng mga relief packs sa barangay Buoit at barangay Pilog sa bayan ng Infanta sa Quezon. Maraming salamat sa tulong ng DMUC.
Cannot carry and more items. My gosh. May ano ko rito. Tinapon.
Tulad ng ating mga spot at sa patuloy na sumusuporta
Partnet lang. Reset.
sa pagsasagawa ng Operation Bayanihan para mapaghatid ng tulong sa mga kababayan natin sa kasalukuyan, nasa mahigit na 64,000 individual na ang ating natulungan na naapektuhan ng pag-bully at bullying. Kinakasama rin natin na ikalawang gusto ng Operation Bayanihan para sa
Dun 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 dun.
sa mga nais na magpapagdasyon, maaari po na namin ang donasyon sa pamagitan ng online sa aming mga tao at papaano ng tiwala.
What? Hindi tuloy-tuloy visit. Wala.
Go. Crack dance.
Sabay. Buff buff. Buff buff mo nga eh. Okay, sayang. Gamit pa tayong item na nakakainis. Darkness na to. Ito. Ay, wala pala. Meron pala. Nangyari dun. Wala lang.
Yes. Go. Crash dance.
Ay. Tumakas.
We are clear that we will be having perhaps a shortened season. Nonetheless, it will be intense given that in other events, it has proven successful in terms of the concept.
Tong 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 tong. Dun, dun, dun. Wait. Ay, wala yung volume. Nasaan yung volume dito na wala? Anyway. Okay. What? Iba yung pattern nung ano niya. Gods of Wind. Gamot pa tayong item. Yung mga hindi masyadong nagagamit. Sus.
Yes. Go. Crash dance.
Dali nung crush dance yun. Hindi ko tulad nung ito. Wow! 232. Jero, thanks for reacting to my stream. Salamat sa pag-like ng stream. Uy, salamat din sa pag-send ng 10 stars. Salamat. Ay, wala. Salamat. Hina ng... mahina ba yung background music? Wait. Palakasan natin. Oo nga, parang hina nga. Mag-a-add ako ng audio. Audio. Or, dali lang, control panel tayo. Saan ba yung mute sound dito? System. Then, computer. Nawawala yung ano sa sound. Sound control. Ayan. Change system sound. Ito. Levels. Todo naman. Together. Speakers. Proper. Kung paano ba ito? Nagkaroon. Malakas naman na, di ba? Padaan lang. Salamat ha. Salamat, Jero, bro. It means a lot to me. Dayan natin. Yan. Special mention. Okay. Potek, sabi ko, damage ba yun? Oo nga, hina ng damage. Ang lakas tuloy ng sound. Wait. Kasi dito sa ano ko, ang hina sa... Kala ko pagkabasa ko sa DMG, kala ko sound reset. Anyway. Damage. Ikaw naman kasi, di mo binubuo yung sinusulat mo. O mataas lang siguro yung defense ng ano, ng kalaban. Ang lakas ng ano, Holy War agad, pambira. Wait lang. Di pa naman ako nakabili ng mga healing something. Okay, magre-recover nga muna ako. Puta, lugi ah. Lugi yung shield ko ah, visit ko ah. Yan, patayin mo na. Palitan ko na nga tong mga may hinang nilalang na tong Shanna na to. Yun, healing potion. Buti naman. Yan, nag-level up. Hanggang level 11 ka lang. New magic, final burst. Nice. Pwede na. Kung ano man yun. Ano man yung final burst na yun. Ay. Yan, wait. Iyan natin. Mas konti. Sometimes, may gabi. Yan, black hole ulit tayo. Black hole ba ulit? Black hole. Okay. Nawala kasi yung volume ng ano ko. Ay, gagi. Yung game pa yung mapapalitan. Ito. Okay. Okay, welcome back. Ay, oo nga. Ang pangit ng lasa. Lagay mo kayo yan, bigyan mo si Lord. Yo. Tekman mo. Ewan ko yung flavor niyan, ano eh. Watermelon. Pangit ng lasa, no? Olivar. Ay, ahahal lang yan, Olivar pa. Ay, ito. Okay. Ano meron dito? Pabalik. Entrance. Ayun. Ito pala ang entrance. Pellet. Sus. Iwasan ko nga itong pellet na to eh. Naka-receive na naman ako ng pellet. Palitan ko pala si ano, burnout. Bababa na ng buhay, oh. Replace na to, replace. Mga walang kwenta. Ito. Tsaka ito naman, si H.L. Kawawa naman, eh. More and more floristics. Okay. Ay, ano yun? May Night Shield. Night Shield. Okay, Power Race. May bababa, eh. Ano kaya yung AAV? Increases escape rate for physical attacks. Ito na lang. Magical, okay. War God. War God's Amulet. Fake power risk. Ano to? Para lumakas yung attack ko. Power risk na lang. Wag yung fake. Salay. Blood clock. Okay na yan. Reset addition. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. Dong 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 dong. Hadouken.
Flurry of sticks.
Oh, yun nga pala yun. I see.
Yes. Go. Crash dance.
Ang hina nga ng damage, no? Dahil siguro level 1 something siya. More and more. Ah, ganun pala pag level 1 pa yung addition. Baka.
Take that. Flurry of sticks.
Die. More and more.
Take that. Stick. Oh, charot. Meron sa taas. Oy, Melvin Guerrero, thanks for reacting to my stream or liking. Welcome back, Melvin. Eh, kapag sa baba ako dumaan, ganun din pala, no? Easy. Ay. Ay. Ayun, ayun. Kumusta naman? Hadouken!
Flurry of sticks.
G-sticks. Right? Ba yan? Ay, gagamit pala ako ng item, no?
Yes.
Also,
Go. Crash
hina ng bawas. Ganun.
Die. More and more.
More and sticks.
Yes. Go. Trash dance. Take that. Flurry of sticks.
Flurry.
ay lumampas ng isang sentimetro kada taon. Nasa 1.4 centimeters per year. At ang hindi ko maganda, yung projections natin,
Ito.
mag-accelerate yung rise of sea level.
Wala.
Pinalala pa yan ang paglubog ng lupa sa bahagi ng Kamanaka, Bulacan,
Wala.
Pampanga at Bataan. Dahil naman sa overexpansion, wala ka sa pagkit ng tubig sa mga underground water
Yung
reservoirs
makakit.
para magamit ng mga tao.
Okay. Papunta sa kabila. What's that? What is this? You are. Who do you think you are? Are you here to see my research? Or to visit me? Either way, we are pleased. We like it when mercenaries like you have an interest in our research. Did research before suicidal attacks have become common, but if our research is successful, it will reduce the casualties of war. For example, the white plague. That's a healing power, and that green flame isn't extinguished by water. And that green flame is extinguished by water when we put it to the practice. Never seen such technologies. It's like magic. You don't need to worry about that. There are already enough of us involved in this affairs research. I'm sure your job is to fight. There are too many things we don't know about this problem. If you end up like Mr. Mag, it's too late for that guy. We have to complete these research before it's too late for someone. You see, I will end the war, but can we ask you a little more? For example, what kind of function does this purpose? This plane is the power source of the castle. The purple plane drives the elevator and lifts. It helps people live. It's a proper way of usage. Dragon ata kalaban dyan eh. Ah, ganun. But the war decides the usage now. Yes, even if this technology could be used for the happiness of the people, once it's used wrongly, it may bring unhappiness. What we are making may bring happiness to the people. We agree. Researchers is after all based on the climate caused by dragon. War creates catastrophe. It's a sad thing for the both of people live and the dragon. And when the dragon is involved in this research. Oh, I slipped my tongue, forgot what I said. Now back to the research. Let's give some magic oil. This is the pure for the purple plan. It gives you mobility. Magic oil. If you want to be healed. Come and visit me anytime. Thank you very much. Very helpful to use. Ito ba yun? Tingin nga. Na-recover ba lahat? Oh, nice. Buti hindi ako gumamit ng item. Busy. Walang ano dito. Ayan. Walang item. Walang save point. Ang bihira. Nice. May crash dance na Paps. Oo nga eh. Kita mo pala. Are you using the magic orb? You can light up purple flame with it. Crash dance, gonna be okay. Do 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 do. Crash dance, spin that record beat. Do 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 do. Oy, Nivek Lagunday, thanks for reacting to my stream. Kevin Lagunday. Crash dance, 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 crash dance. Bluish, bluish. Okay, saan tayo ngayon? Dito? Or doon? Dito na nga muna. Imba, imba. Nagalitan sila. Crash dance, gonna be okay. Do 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 do. So, okay, crash dance na. Quick save na lang. Kaya nga eh.
Yes. Go. Crash dance.
Tornado, crash dance. Ang hina naman ng bawas ng crash dance na yun. So, mag-item tayo yung mga napulot natin kaninang walang kwenta. Nga, saka pellet. Eh, dapat unahin natin yung tao kasi nagbabato ng item yun. Nag-boost pa ako ng bawas. Tak na lang po. Ang galing Gasubwing dance. Samantalang si pangalan to si Labich Gasubwing dance. Pellet. Itsurang malakas ng yung item. Kaya nga eh, visit. Hina-hina.
Yes.
HP recover, shit. Ang lakas oh. Si Albert lang malakas eh. 200 plus. Hindi kasi ang level na rin ng addition niya. Eh. Tsaka ang gusto ko dito, ano, pwede magpalit ng character kahit wala ka sa savean. Level 6 na, ay hindi pala ads. Ano ba tong ad? Level 3 na pala kasi yung ano niya. Okay. What is this? Ano ba to? Bilihan. Ano to? Wait. Tingnan ko kung ano meron sa taas. Let's see, let's see. What's inside? Wala. Okay. Teka. Let's check. Baka may Stardust dito. Ay! Excuse me. Pwede magtanong? Ano yun? Kayo, sino kayo? Alam ko na. Mga magnanakaw kayo. Para nakawin ng aking mahika. Diyan na ata yung sasali si Kongol after. Uy, nice. Sige, oh, para may malakas naman tayong ano, member. Teka, kami ay walang dadaan. Walang excuse. Ingat. We don't know what he'll do. Hindi natin alam kung anong gagawin niya. Let him. It seems interesting. Like this, the steel shearing vacuum blade. Vacuum blade. Why doesn't the magic work? Why doesn't the shearing? Worse than I thought. That was, alam mo, naalala ko lang, yung sa desierto yata yun. Basta meron dito yung sa desierto, yung sa DS4 na yata. Kasi doon ako nagkukumpleto ng addition dati. That was still under research. I'll show you this. Take the rock crushing tiger. Try thunder arrow. Wala. Hindi gumagana. You are the researcher who is too late, aren't you? Then, ano may? Those damn researchers or trashes that said something to you. Didn't they? Not sure po. I see the nag-iis. Black Castle ba yan? Oh, Black Castle na siya eh. Yung babalik ka sa district galing DS4. Wala, pwede ba yun? Di ba sa ano? Ay, kasi yung mapa yata hindi pwedeng ano no? We are not here to consider. Oo, naalala ko na, Dave. Pag lumabas ka doon, papalitan mo yung disk. Kasi nga hindi siya maglo-load pag ano. Naalala ko na. Para kalabanin yung mga dating dragons yata. Oh. Hindi ko na maalala eh. Shut up, I have already made the discovery, the secret of magic that those losers could never even hope to know. Magical explanation can only be known by someone like myself who completely understands the magical power of dragons. I'll show it to you now. Smudge. Seems really stunning. Oh my gosh. Cute. Cerberus eh, no? Bilis ng oras. I wonder, is this dog Mr. Maggie? I guess it requires more research to be controlled by humans. But at least in the end, he amused us. Ang kulit nitong karakter na to. Bluestone? For what? Sino nagsabi? Si Mateo. Wawa naman. Wawa naman. Oy, thanks sa nag-like. To-cover muna tayo. Oy, Apple. Welcome back to my stream. Thanks for liking my stream. Okay, palitan natin sila, no? Optional lang yung mga dating dragon si gusto mong kalabanin. Pero may XP. Shoutout kay Lenny Lunas Blanco. Yes, shoutout ulit kay Lenny Lunas Blanco. Sabi ni Apple. Loves na loves ka niya. Montreal, Canada.
Crash dance!
Ang lineup ko talaga dyan si Dark Rose at Hazel. Itong grupo na to. Si Kongol kasi mabagal no. Sayang di nagawa. Si Meru naman mabilis kaso parang medyo mahina siya. Dokin.
Flurry of sticks!
Cheese sticks. Nag-heal pa.
More and more.
More and more. Ay! Hindi napindot. Dasal ka na! Ah! Rinig yung Encantadia. May nag-heart. Ano kaya yun? Okay. Philip De Vera, thanks for sharing my stream. Thanks. Ang galing mo. May ano rito. Buy something. Yes. Buti may bilihan dito. Siguro banlakas ang kalaban dito. Spear Pros, Picture Fall. Ito lang. Beast Pan. Ano yun? Kay Hazel ba yun? Okay? What? Pwede pala sa kanya, ano? Palitan nga natin. Pwede pala sa kanya espada. Hindi, para sa kanya pala talaga yun. Mababa naman yung defense. 35-71. 25-61. Di advisable. Kaya mo na. Ito na lang. Ay. Ano yun? Saan ba ako galing? Ay, umikot. Baka ito yung isang daanan. Hindi pala. Balik na tayo. Nandaanan sa kabila. Okay, wala na rito. Okay na rito. Okay na rito. Bibili yan dyan. Third floor? What? Ano ba to? Okay, mamaya na yan. Tayo. First floor. Try natin dun sa isa. Malapit sa ano. Dito. Dasal ka na. Ha? O sige, hindi ako magsasalita. I-mute ko. Pwede ako mag-mute. Okay, mute muna tayo. Pansamantala. Itik na. Oh, ano to? What the hell? Oh, what yun? Oh, low.
Yes. Go. First dance. Take that! Flurry of sticks!
Die. More and more.
Take that! Flurry of sticks! Yes! Go! First dance!
Die. More and more.
Take that! Flurry of sticks! Yes! Go! First dance!
Die. More and more. Die. More and more.
Yes! First dance! Take that! Flurry of sticks!
Die. More and more. Die. More and more. Die. More and more.
Yes! Take that! Flurry of sticks! Yes! Go! First dance! Take that! Flurry of sticks!
Die. More and more.
Rose Storm!
Yes, hello, hello, hello. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Welcome to the Hello, hello, hello. Okay, welcome back to our